Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create corner window. So as example, you can draw wall and I will create for the 3D perspective view. You can move to drag off the plan view. Now to create the corner window, you can use the window tools and create in the corner like in here. After it, you can use the move tools to move the window. You can select the window and then click hold. You can move into the corner. Okay, I will click again this window, and after it, you can move against the window to the corner. Click hold, drag, and you can release to apply. So it will be automatically create the corner window. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create corner window. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.